It all started when I stumbled upon my personal vision board and timeline I wrote 18 years ago, where I saw that I had one goal I wanted to achieve before culminating my third decade of existence. That is to host a yacht party. I know it's quite superficial, but what do you expect my 12-year-old self would dream of? So, with the help of a dear friend who runs a flotilla of yachts in Dubai, I thought it's not too selfish to indulge in luxury. After all, I survived 30 years of breathing. Apart from that, I was about to embark on a monumental journey in my life, which was when I decided to move to UK and shift to a different career. So renting a yacht in Dubai might be quite expensive. Well, of course, I got a good deal. However, if you don't get a discount, it ranges from 250 to 500 pounds per hour, and minimum use is 2 hours. I commissioned Xclusive Yachts Dubai, Dubai's only 5-star luxury yacht charter company. Aboard the 78-foot VIP premium yacht with 4 cabin crew, 1 chef, 2 voyage crew, we booked the boat for 4 hours, only touring around the famous sites in Dubai Marina. We cruised through sites such as the Burj Al Arab, dubbed as the world's only 7-star hotel, the Atlantis The Palm, Jumeirah Beach Residences, and the scenic Dubai skyline. When we arrived at Dubai Marina, we were motioned by an usher to enter the boardwalk. We walked in a red carpet entrance to our yacht and had to register our names in the list of passengers. We then were greeted by the friendly staff who offered bottles of water and boat slippers to use. I specifically asked for an all-Filipino crew except for the chef, as no Pinoy is available to help us on board, which they gladly arranged. Our captain, Captain Fermi, was very gracious enough to help us set up our karaoke system in the lounge. What is a party, not even a yacht party, be a Filipino party without singing and dancing, right?
Ikaw ay Pinoy, ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ipakita ang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Ipagmalaki mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo.
Let me give you a tour of the yacht. There are 3 levels in this yacht. The lower deck is where all the cabins are situated. There are 4 rooms in total, each with its own toilet. There are 2 large cabins adjacent to each other that has king-size beds in it, with its own toilet and shower and multimedia system. There are 2 smaller rooms with 2 single beds. The second floor is the main deck, which also serves as the landing area. In this level, you can find the entrance space, lounge, kitchen, and the quarter deck where the captain commands the vessel. In the lounge, we had our games and other activities. The topmost floor, the weather deck, is a partly open area where you can have a better view of the sea and the cityscape. This is also the area where we had dinner. But of course, with all the fun and excitement, a farewell party of some sort is never complete without the tear-jerking messages from friends I surely missed.
So, I
I really think I will miss that because I don't have anyone with me anymore. So katong last holiday, I really wanted to travel with him, but he can't na.
But that's fine.
So
They're just very different from each other, yet I love them all the same. No ifs and no buts.
My Dubai pit stop wasn't an all smooth sailing journey. Rough seas had always been a part of it, but I came out alive and stronger. So it must have been a good one.
Friends and all other close associates and other friends, thank you so much. The life I have here in Dubai wouldn't be this colorful if not for all of you. To Angela, to Dab, to Gretel, to Romeo, to everyone that I've shared moments here in Dubai, thank you so much. It's just very overwhelming. It's too much for me to handle, but all I can say really is just thank you. Thank you, everyone.
My family in Dubai deserved nothing but the best. The goal was to make them feel special by giving them an experience they might rarely or not even ever enjoy again. But on that day till now, it was me, after all, who felt special for having them in my party, also in my life. Up to this time, all the people in that boat share a space in my heart, and I will forever hold on to the memories of those roughly 2 years of my life spent with them. We all sail on to discover new lands, but it always is worthwhile to look back to those stories of the past and smile. For now, let's continue to ride with the tide until it brings us back safely to the right shore where we will meet again. Till our next trip, aye aye, Captain.